There are many persons who can understand English, but they don't know how to be fluent in it. You can be fluent in it very easily. But what you have to do? Listen, you have to speak on anything every day. You have to do it every day. But what you have to speak? You can speak anything, but in English, not in Hindi. There are many persons who first speak sentences in Hindi, then they translate those sentences into English. No, this is not the right way to practice it. You can practice English by making sentences in English. So you have to speak on anything in English. You have to do it on a regular basis. If you continue it, you can speak English fluently. If you start speaking on anything, you hesitate. Do you know why? Because you don't have knowledge about that thing. So you must have knowledge about that thing if you want to speak in English, if you want to speak anything about that thing. Let's suppose if you want to speak anything on a phone and you don't know anything about phone, how can you speak on it? So you must have knowledge about it.